Hello children, today I am going to teach you that coconut tree we have drawn previously with the pencil now today I am going to teach you with the oil pastel color. Okay, so you have to take pencil, eraser, oil pastel, cotton and 1 or 2 earbud. So see, previous also I taught you with how to draw a coconut tree. First the mountain shape, then slant line, again the slant line. See, here the gap is very less and here the gap is more. Okay, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 lines should be right, 4 lines should be left. Okay, till the drawing should be here, and with the help of eraser you have to make it light, that you can able to see it. See, I erased it. Now you have to take green color. Okay, wait, I'll show you which green colors you have to take. See, you have to take light green color, the middle green color, I am showing you the name, deep green, and this green. Okay, middle light green, middle green and dark green, and this is the yellow. Okay, in other companies this will be not a lemon yellow, it's a chrome yellow. You have to take this. Okay, so first see, you have to take light green and you have to make line like this, and same that we done with the pencil, now you have to do with the color. Make sure that the edge should be very thin, not thick. Okay, you don't have to make the thick lines, thin lines you have to make. Okay, so see, with this light green you have to make the lines in very distance. Okay, now with the same chrome yellow you have to make lines in middle of it. Okay, first with the light green, then with this, then you have to take the middle green color, and see, now you have to make very nearly the lines. Okay, don't make far, near lines you have to make. Understood? Now with the dark green, same, first you have to make the center line, then with this the finishing touch up you have to give. Understood? Like this you have to make all the leaves. Okay, you can rotate your sheet also how you are comfortable, you can do like that. One more time I am showing you how to make the leaves. See children, I am showing you the second leaf one more time. Be careful and see it properly. See, with the light green color I have done very like distantly you have to make the lines. Okay, then with the chrome yellow, if the second leaf is interacting in the first leaf, no need to worry, continuity with the same leaf that I taught you in the first. Okay, don't think that this is coming in the second, it will be look ugly and all, don't think that. Then with the middle green, but be careful with your hand, this should be not touched here, otherwise the drawing will be spread, because this is the oil pastel colors. See, very thin line I am giving, not thick lines, then only the tree shape will become proper leaf. Now those leaves are coming in first, so no need to worry. Okay, now with the dark green we will give the finishing. Understood? Like this you have to make all the leaves. See children, with the light pencil you can make a shape of coconut. Okay, that area we will lift. 3 coconut I made it. Now for the stem you have to take, this is the yellow ochre, like a skin color. Okay, and you have to take the light brown. Okay, then you have to take the dark brown. I am showing you the name also. Okay, then you have to take the black color. Okay, so first with the yellow ochre you have to fill the stem. See, with the yellow ochre I done this. Then with the light brown color you have to see, very light you have to do it here also. Okay, see, very light with the light force of your hand you have to do it. With the light brown I done it. Now with the dark brown, same step that we have done with the light brown. See, with the black color, same you have to do very lightly. Okay, that will become like more dark brown. Don't do it over black. Okay children, see, like this. You have seen the wood having like, it's not a smooth, it's like a roughy wood will be there, like that effect we are giving here. Okay, see, like this. Then with the same black you have to give lines. Like this, curve lines. I given lines. Now see, the edges are not fine now. With the earbuds you can make it fine. Children, now for the coconut we have to take the same yellow ochre, sorry, chrome yellow, and then we have to fill it there itself. Because already it's green color there, so it will be mixed with the yellow. So it will become that coconut color only. Okay, see, it is done. I completed the coconut also. Now the mountain, first with the yellow ochre. See, with the yellow ochre. Now second with the light brown. Start from the top. Half only you have to do this. Don't do the full. Like on the top dark and at the down light. Okay, now with the dark brown, same, dark then light. Okay, now with the black, same colors that we have taken for the stem now, that only we have to do the down. Totally black and then light. See, like this. Now you have to take cotton. You have to take little cotton and you have to mix it from up top to down. cotton will be take all the extra colors and it will be come like proper soil color. Okay children, see, this is your coconut tree with the oil pastel colors. Okay, hope so you understand. If you have any doubt, you can comment or ask it, and please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.